This is rain sensor. We can use this sensor easily, but before we start using this sensor, let's learn how this sensor works. So this sensor has a metal that left exposed. This metal has certain resistivity. When this metal exposed to water, the resistance will be changed. The more exposed to water, the more conductive this metal, or the resistance will be decreased. And the sensor comes with a board. This board is on signal conditioning. It will convert the resistance to voltage, and it has two outputs, that is analog and digital. The analog output will give us voltage according how much the water that exposed to the sensor. The more water exposed to the sensor, the less voltage it will give us. On the board model, we can see that there is an LM393 comparator IC. This IC used to make digital output. When water or voltage reach certain level, it will give us low output. We can change the threshold by turning this potentiometer, the blue one. Let's start the experiment with the analog output using Arduino. First, I will connect the sensor pad to the board module. And then connect the sensor module with Arduino. So I will connect V-in with 5V, ground with ground, and analog output to analog 0 of Arduino. I will have the digital output not connected. And as usual, we can use a very simple, easy to read the analog voltage. Let's just open the analog read serial example file. Upload the sketch and now open the serial monitor. We can see that at first the IDC is 1023 or it's 5V. It's at maximum output voltage. Then I will try to drop water on the sensor pad. When the water dropped, the IDC is dropped too. And we can see that when the water is slipped from the pad, the IDC rise again. And when I add more water, it will decrease the voltage of the IDC again. So as I said at the beginning, the more water on the sensor means less voltage output. So the water and the voltage are inversely proportional. And when I drag the sensor pad, it back to 1023. By the way, when I edit this video, it's rainy outside. Can you feel that sound? Oh, it's so relaxing. But unfortunately, this channel is not about that relaxing rain sound to help you sleep better. So let's just back to the sensor. Now we can determine threshold. So every certain value of ADC, we will know that it is rain. So I will take 900 as a threshold. So whenever the ADC is less than 900, it is rain. And I will make a simple alarm, so every it's rainy a buzzer will sound. Simply connect the buzzer to pin 13 of Arduino. So the circuit become like this. I will drop the water on the sensor and it starts to sound the buzzer. And when I dry the sensor, the buzzer turned off. Now we have successfully made a rain alarm. Now let's try the digital output of the sensor. So I will connect the digital output of the sensor to pin 2 of Arduino. Then use the sample sketch named digital read serial, upload and open the serial monitor. So at first, when there is no water, it will print 1. And when there is water on the pad, it will print 0. When use the digital output, we can change the threshold by adjust this blue potentiometer. So I think this is the end of the tutorial on how to use this rain sensor, and as usual, don't forget to subscribe to encourage me to make more videos. Thank you for watching and see you on another video. Bye.